Hey everyone, it's Tina with Create with Tina. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm doing card 2 in my 5-part series of the Loveliest Wishes Card Kit Glow Ups. Today we are going to be working on this card right here, which is the 4x4 card that comes in the kit. And as you know, the kits are all inclusive, including these instructions. And they come with a ruler. I didn't point that out last time, and I think it's pretty cool that Stampin' Up! Does a ruler along the side. So let me show you the card. It is pretty, just like it is. I love it. The vellum is gorgeous. The gold in the lettering and the gold foil in the background is perfect. However, I like to not always have 4x4 cards, so I decided to make a bigger card. And I looked on the back and I see that petal pink is a coordinating color that is included in the kit. So I grabbed a piece of my petal pink cardstock and I scored it, and now I'm going to fold it in half. And I thought I'd let you guys know that when I fold my card bases, I always fold the mountain side to the inside of the card, and then I use my bone folder to flatten it so I have a nice crisp flat card to work with. Now these are the pieces that came in the kit. This is the piece that was going to layer on the 4x4 card, and I'm just going to simply put it on a standard size card instead. And what I'm doing here is making sure that I have it situated so that the gold foil dots that are on it are focused more in the lower corner. Now, because the gold is so pretty, I decided to grab some more scraps of my gold foil cardstock. I added tear and tape to the back, and now I'm simply adding them directly to the card right below where I added that 4x4 piece from the kit. So easy, and again, it's just scraps. Now this is the vellum tag that comes in the kit. I just added a little bit of adhesive with my stamp and seal, and I have it on the card. And then these are the sentiments, and I added my dimensionals. Again, dimensionals come in the kit, make it so quick and easy to work with. So I'm going to add the happy birthday, and then I'm going to use the tear and tape to add just a little bit to the back of the word birthday and stick that on. So isn't it cool that all the adhesive is included too? I mean, you don't even have to grab stamp and seal. I'm just used to using it. So I use it. But here you go. There's the card all put together. Now, what I'm showing you is 3 gold gems, and even the gems are included in the kit. And for this card, they showed adding the gold gems right to the card, but I thought, hey, why not grab those new flat pearls in the brand new in colors? And again, that timid tiger color that I showed you in card number 1, I decided to use those pearls again because they are so pretty, and I think timid tiger looks perfect with that piece of vellum. So I added those pearls on and saved those 3 gems. I'm going to use them on another one of my card transformations. But there you go. Look at that. From a 4x4 beautiful monochromatic card to a standard size card. And here it is with the gold gems on it, just so you could see the difference. I added a piece of white cardstock to the inside of the card, so I was ready to stamp and add my sentiments. And there we are. It is completed. So if you like this card, please like and subscribe because I have more cards to show you. This is only card number 2 in my Glow Up transformation series. So click like, click subscribe, and follow along. I think you'll like what I do with the rest of the cards in this kit. Thanks so much. Bye.